over 50% of men over the age of 50 struggle with erectile dysfunction. But if you think a prescription pill is your only hope, you're being lied to. Medical studies actually show that specific daily exercises outperform Viagra. Today, I am breaking down how to reverse ED completely without medication. We'll cover the exact diet you need, why using a penis pump is far better than taking random supplements, and how to get my Good Morning Wood smoothie recipe to kickstart your recovery today. Let's dive in.
I am struggling with ED, so what should I do? Well, if you're struggling with ED, just know that ED is very common. 50% of men over 50 have ED, period. And 60% of men over 60 have ED. So it rises as you get older, and 70% of men that are over 70 have ED, okay? So you're not in the minority, you're in the majority. 50% of your friends have problem with ED, and they're probably taking ED medication. That's number one. Number two is that if you start early, when you know you have ED, it's easier to fix. ED is fixable. ED is reversible. You don't have to live with it, and you don't have to depend upon ED medication for your erection. It's almost like taking a medication to help you blink, because erection for a man is the most natural thing that your body is programmed to do. It's complex. It involves 6 systems. It's complex, but your body is programmed to do that. If you throw in medication in it, it throws in a wrench in the wheel. So your body, as a man, is programmed to have erection. So know that ED is common. That's number one. If you're struggling with ED, the first thing is I want you to start looking at what you're doing. I want you to start looking at yourself and be honest with yourself. How is your diet? Are you eating processed food? What's processed food? And any food that is in a bag or a can. Eat what the earth gave you, which is to follow the Mediterranean diet. You need to do a self-evaluation. Say, okay, what am I eating? Am I eating hamburgers, hot dogs every day? Am I eating fast food every day? How's my diet? So if you're eating stuff that's out of a bag or a can, even hamburgers not great because it will elevate your cholesterol and because of the buns. So you want to eat more lean meat. So Mediterranean diet, it's essentially lean meat, chicken, fish, pork, and then maybe you can have red meat like twice a week. More vegetables. Fill your plate with half of vegetables and fruit instead of eating cake or pastries or donut. Remember, the earth do not grow donut. Earth do not grow pastries. Earth do not grow cookies. Earth do not grow ice cream. So the main thing, eat what the earth grows for you. That's what I say. And when you go shopping, shop on the outside aisle of the grocery store, because that's where all the fruits and vegetables and the meats are usually in the rear of the store. And so that's number one. And then number two, are you exercising? To be honest with yourself, are you exercising at least 3 times a week? And then what's your weight? What's your BMI? So what you do is there's a formula, look up the formula, BMI, basal metabolic index, BMI, look it up and evaluate. So you put in your height and then your weight in pounds, and it's going to give you a BMI. You're over 30 BMI, that means you're obese, and then you need to lose some weight. Because when you're overweight, your blood pressure is high, okay? And then also you having like risk factors such as diabetes and high cholesterol. So the key point is diet and then exercise. Even just walking is good. You don't need to go to gym, but exercise at least 3 to 4 times a week if you can, for at least 30 minutes. And number 3 is sleep. 7 hours of sleep between 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. because that's when your body heals physically and mentally as well. And then number 4 is stress management. How do you manage your stress? Do things that relaxes you. Do things that you enjoy. Most men do play golf or meditation or exercise as a form of relaxation, or spending time with people that you care about that makes you happy. That's a form of relaxation. If you start with those 3 and do a self-evaluation of what you're doing, then you're gonna go a long way. I also would suggest that you use a penis pump every day. If you're having ED, the first equipment you should buy is the penis pump. Because if you're not using the penis pump, it's essentially, you're not using the right equipment. I'd rather use the penis pump more than you take supplements, okay? So I would start with that first. I know it's a lot, but it doesn't cost you anything to change your diet, right? To be more aware of what you're eating and to be honest with yourself. Most men just want their erection back but want to do very little. Well, something as important as your sex life deserve focus, your dedication, your effort to reverse it. So start with that first before you start buying this supplement from Africa or this supplement from India. Start with that first, along with the penis pump. That Mediterranean diet. In fact, let me give you the Mediterranean diet. eatfornoed.com. And then you can download the Mediterranean diet and follow that there. You can download that and we'll give you a PDF of the Mediterranean diet. So please download that because studies have shown that diet and exercise work much better than ED medication. In fact, exercise alone beat Viagra in head-to-head studies. So that tells you a lot. But do we hear about it on big news media? No, because pharma is controlling the narrative. And so I'm just telling you now that exercise beat Viagra and exercise and diet double beat Viagra. Okay, so something to think about. All right, I hope that helped. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. Fourth Tayat said, thanks for doing what you do. Thank you. I appreciate that because I have somebody that I love. My husband suffered with ED. I know what it's like for the man and for the spouse. I want to make information accessible and help you guys understand how to get out of ED because there's a lot of misinformation out there. There's a lot of gimmicks out there, and I want to give you things that work, that is proven to work by research. I've been there as well. So thank you for being here. Thanks for that feedback. It really makes my heart warm because we put in a lot of effort to put out this information for you all, and it will mean the world to me if you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, which is at Dr. Truong, and subscribe to our newsletter as well too. We have a newsletter that we put out every week, but if you just download the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, just go and type in Good Morning Wood Smoothie. If you just download that, you will be automatically opted into our newsletter. Okay, so just download the Good Morning Wood Smoothie and we'll put you in the newsletter as well. Okay, and it'll mean the world to me if you guys do that. So thank you for that feedback.